Hi everyone, it's 2nd February, guys. And if I talk about weather, so weather news is, guys, temperature is 7 degree in Delhi. I mean at my location. And if I talk about, guys, so like cold. I mean just air is blowing, and it's not foggy day. Weather is clear, guys. You can see everything is visible. I mean appearing, but still, guys, air is blowing. Due to air blowing, guys, like cold, just we are getting cold. And guys, today I wanna just make you aware, you all, guys, they are residents of Delhi. On 5th February, guys, election will be held in Delhi, and on 8 February result will be announced. So I would like to just request to you all, if you are residents of Delhi, so just go at your boothing, I mean your booth, your voting booth, and just cast your vote and use your voting right. And actually it comes one in a 5 year, and we get opportunity to use it. So we shouldn't just say to like one vote doesn't like if affect I mean something, and one vote, if I don't cast a single vote doesn't add value. No, guys. So every vote add value, and so you have to just go there and you have to contribute your. Either you will have to only complain, you will keep on complaining to the government. So why not to use your vote, and just to like choose your candidate according your just likewise, like guys, one more thing I would like to talk about. How, how on which thing, I mean on which base we should cast our vote. So, guys, there are many things. eh. First of all, I would like to just talk in a succession. First of all, guys, you should download Voter Help app, and guys, there you will get affidavit of every candidate. Yeah, like how many candidates are in your constituency, and then, guys, even in if I talk about my constituency, so there are more than, guys, 15 candidates. But I can't read out everyone's affidavit. I can't make out everyone. So that's why I decided, I mean everyone should decide to just read only 2 and 3 candidates, like prominent figure competition are among them, so we should read their affidavit. Otherwise, if you just read every candidate's affidavit, guys, then it will take 1 and 2 hours. So don't waste your time over there to just read out their affidavit. So, guys, if I talk about affidavit, why we should read, guys, when I read my candidate, uh, thrice candidate affidavit, then I got to know about their background, their crime background, their education background, many more things, like their experience, and their last work, their political background. So, guys, if I talk about my just constituency, so I made out just thrice affidavit, and I got to know their property and their cases, how many cases are, I mean, just FIR are on them. So, guys, when we read, so then we get to know, like, is there any FIR case on him, on my candidate, to whom I'm gonna choose, guys. When you will read out, then you can, uh, I mean, you will get clarity to whom I'm just gonna cast my vote. If I talk about my opinion, if you ask my opinion to whom I'm gonna just cast my vote, so I will not reveal. And Yeah, everyone shouldn't reveal, guys. Actually, everyone has a different perception. So if we reveal, guys, I mean, if we just peel the bean of any candidate to whom we are gonna just cast our vote, so now it would be awkward. Like there would be like argument. Someone will say, no, why will you cast your vote to him, and he didn't work, and that there are many things, there are many stuff. So that's why. And guys, why should we cast everyone? Why everyone should cast his vote? So guys, actually, election is also a festival. Even guys, election is bigger. Election is biggest festival than Holi, Diwali, and rest of guys. One of the biggest festivals. Like Diwali, Holi, and other festival comes once in a year. But guys, election, it comes one, guys, within 5 years. So why should we not use our vote right? Why should we not use, guys? And we should celebrate as a festival, as we celebrate, as we excited to celebrate, guys, other festival. Guys, it's we are gonna decide future of our constituency. We are gonna decide future of upcoming generation. We are gonna decide development in our location. And guys, if I talk about other like leaders, and so we can't make out like that is corrupted and not corrupted. Even guys, in my opinion, 90% leader, they are corrupted. And guys, before winning, I mean before election, they just they disappear, and at the end of election, guys, they appear and they go door to door. They just try to just get sympathy from us, guys. So not, we shouldn't cast those leader our vote, guys. They don't spend time among of us. Why should we cast vote them, guys? They appear only. I just really, I want to hector those leader. They just appear, guys, at the end of election. Where were you when we were in a pickle? Where were you when we need your help, guys? Leader, even representative, they are representative of our location. If we have any kind of query, if we have any kind of problem, guys, I have gone through it. Even guys, most of people, they have to just spend time in a queue for their appointment. Guys, if you just visit their office, their workers only will say, yeah, come tomorrow, and next day of tomorrow, on Monday, on Tuesday, that month. And guys, now just we they squander our time. So we shouldn't cast them vote. We should not just give them a lesson. We should give them a lesson by using our vote right on election day. So guys, if yeah, but that leader, we should cast our vote that leader who spend time, whether he won or whether he lose. But still, guys, maybe just now, right now, he is in an opposition party. But within 5 years, he hang out ourselves with our every difficult situation when we were in a pickle. He was with us. So we should cast vote him. It doesn't matter whether he is educated or not. Yeah, guys, even he is not educated, but we should not go based on education. Like someone is well educated, so I am gonna cast my vote for him. Not at all, my viewers, not at all, my friends. We should cast votes only those they hang out themselves with us 5 years. But guys, it's like find those leader. I know it's like a hot day in January. So, but still, there are few, guys. At my location, there are 1 and 2%. So I'm gonna just cast vote those. Their behavior is so polite, so like straightforward. I'm not gonna just cast my vote to them like they don't have time to just like spend in society, guys. Yeah, even I just, if I talk about in my constituency, guys, uh, no, I don't scared to just raise voice against those leaders. They when they were at election time, they committed. I'll just come every day. But guys, now he won the election in Parliament MP election, guys. Now he has become MP, but he doesn't have time to spend, guys. Among of voters, I mean in society. So how he will get to know what's the real problem of society, guys? Only at when election will come, then at the end of I mean at the election time, he will come to ask vote, give me my vote. I wanna say just he will try to just get sympathy, but not, guys. We should give him elation. Where were you 5 years ago? Where were you 5 years ago? Did you think like how we just go, how we were going through a rough way, and if we need, guys, even one signature, so I mean he doesn't have time to just give you. Even, guys, I casted my vote, but I mean he won, and I haven't seen his face. How does he look? I mean, guys, we shouldn't blindly cast our vote. We shouldn't, we squander our vote. Yeah, why should we squander our vote to any just candidate based on their like party? Not at all. If someone is candidate of like any party, our favorite party, we like him. Even in our family members, my mom, dad, they like me. But, guys, based on party, we should not cast vote. But now most of them, they just do the same mistake. They cast their vote based on party. They don't read affidavit. I mean, they don't have time to read. So that's why when candidate won, when candidate win, candidate doesn't have time to just, when he becomes leader, he doesn't have time to just come in your constituency. That's why now you just like always raise voice. Their road was not constructed. School is not good. Education is not good. Health is not good. But, guys, on that time you didn't think about. I haven't seen his face. Where does he live? And based on caste, same mistake they are gonna do. Like if I talk about BJP, yeah, I don't scared to just like say any other party name. In my constituency, his answer when I casted, just everyone casted his vote based on just party. But now, guys, it has been 2 years, but I haven't seen him. Where does he live? What does he do? So we should not waste our vote. And guys, everyone just like only focus on prominent figure, like his party leader and chairman is that person. So that's why we should just cast his party candidate vote. Why should we cast? If there is one person in opposition and he doesn't have just any prominent figure for advertisement, for camping, guys, campaigning. So we should cast that person vote, not that person. Actually, party of head leader, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he will not come in your constituency to just develop for development. For developing, guys, by hook or by crook, your candidate, your leader, he win, whoever win the election, his responsibility is to work and to develop your constituency. And, guys, but there are many. Just if I talk about in my friend circle, so I don't like just put out. Just put out them like they are. Just not educated on something else. No, guys, my perception is different from them. Yeah, we should follow one leader. We must have one ideology. We should go with idol party of just one party ideology. But, guys, still we should not focus blind. We should not just follow blindly. But that party is not good for education. But still, by the media advertisement, guys, nowadays you can see even 90% media channel. If I talk about in percentage, 90% media channel they only advertise. Even guys, that party doesn't do good, but still they advertise. Oh, in Russia, in US, in British, in Japan, we have our country people they get respect due to our prime minister. And have you ever experienced it? Not at all. So why do you just go with anchor, I mean just channel? Even newspaper guys, single, even in our country there is no even single newspaper who can just raise voice against the prime minister policy, BJP policy. Not, they don't have time, they don't have courage. If they write against something like government, guys, I'm pretty sure their revenue, I mean their net worth will be put down, guys. Why? Actually prominent figure will not come in their show. Prominent figure will not deliver a speech, not give them time for interview, for opinion, and for policy, regarding policy. And guys, that's why they never ask those questions. I mean, those questions will provoke them. Those questions will hurt them. Like you committed, I'll come in, I'll give 15 lakh. But where is your 15 lakh? You committed MSP and many more things. Health for farmers, for middle class family. Where are your all policies? But guys, they don't have courage. Even in cricket, in business, like many guys, only there are only like 10% prominent figure they are ruling our country. But no one has courage to ask. If you ask, guys, then you will be in a hot water. Like a fire will be just filed against you, and many more things. Just at morning, just it's 6 o'clock. So that's why just I don't wanna just talk over more and more over there. Yeah. So guys, and guys nowadays, like we consume. I mean just every time in leisure time we just start and scrolling reel and just YouTube. YouTube has become part of our life, guys. Without YouTube, I don't think so we can live. Yeah, without YouTube we can, but without YouTube, life would be like so boring. Yeah, like sugar cane without juice, guys. So we should consume, but still we should make it out like just whatever anchor and just is written in the newspaper. Does it exist? I mean, is it right or not? We shouldn't follow blindly. If I talk about, guys, why now I have a different opinion for that party and their leaders. Guys, now I'm gonna appear for a CUT exam for a law. I wanna just pursuing 3 year law. Okay, and guys, I paid 1400 for only entrance exam. Can you think, like just only for a 1 hour exam? Even guys, if I talk about, yeah, government, I paid. Why? Government will manage like prepare exam center and paper, question paper, higher questioner. Guys, yeah, by somehow just it's good. But guys, 1400, does it make any sense? Like, yeah, one middle class family, how just he will all pay only 1400 for a fee, guys. Guys, if I talk about all over, just due fee, it's 7,000 low course. 7,000 low course and 1400 just an NTA, National Test Agency took, and 250 guys. I'm not sure more than 250 due will also take. I mean, and a student also paid like purchase course, mock test. I mean 2 and 3 thousand, guys, a student pay while just preparing. But how it's fair, yeah? Even like 1 day exam, like SSC and GD, guys, it's a general question. GD take in GD SSC like a student pay 100 rupees, but NTA took guys 1400. I am general and I paid 1400. How can I just go with government opinion? That's why now I'm just against the government. I don't follow blindly. Even guys, my entire family, they are voters of that party. Yes, but now I change my opinion. Why? Even here, it doesn't add value. It doesn't make any sense. Like 1400 I paid. I mean, just like same exam, general question will be asked, and even guys, same center I will appear. Last year I appeared for experience. Same center, guys. All same just question pattern will ask, but 1400 I paid. How? How it's fair, yeah? So that's why I don't consume. Just like media, that party, just we are getting respect, we are getting development. But now, where is development? I haven't seen. What's the difference between your and just last government? There was also corruption, and now there is corruption. So that's why we shouldn't follow blindly. We should not just follow. We should like just think, yeah, does did something change? I mean, has something is being changed in my life or not? Something was changed in my life or not? Something will be changed in my life or not? Then we should go with their just ideology. Either we shouldn't. That's why, my dear friends, we should not cast our votes blindly. Not just based on media. Not based on even guys. Nowadays, if you just go visit, I mean, online application, most of online platform, they advertise only BJP, BJP, BJP. Just cast your vote BJP. Not at all. I know you are all know. You know, guys, that party has many prominent figure and all resources to win the election. Conspiracy, plot, and just like arrest and all just like agency guys, CBI, ED, and they use it to get all leaders arrested. Guys, should we give that party more power? Guys, then there wouldn't be democracy. So we should not cast our vote blindly any party, and we should think about what kind of policy benefited me. Guys, I got off my chest with you all, like why I'm just now like arrogant with that ideology, not their policy. Corruption, guys. You don't think so, yeah? Just one middle class family just pay only 1400 for entrance exam, books, library, many more things. Yeah, I can't just like tell you. If I just narrate you all a story, then it will take hours. One, I paid 1400 for entrance and many more. So you don't think so? Government is not working for a student. Committed, I'll just give 2 crore government job and many more. But what about those your commitment? But guys, when government realize I'm unable to fulfill commitment, then they start talking about religion. Yeah, I'll care you. I care your religion. If that opposition come, then you will be in a hot water. They will bother you, and your religion will be in a. I mean, at you will be just like tortured by other religion party. That's why, guys, and our parents, even my parents, they only think about that party just raise voice. I mean, just take care of our religion. But my ideology doesn't resonate with that party ideology. Yeah, I got up my chips with you all. So thank you so much for you. Uh, and guys, but guys, but I will cast my vote. That party BJP, yes, my BJP candidate at my location. Why? So as I told you, like candidate at my location is like prominent figure. I'm not, but he spends time in society, so polite, straightforward, and that's why actually I just see many times to just go through my street and spend time, talk to just with, talk to just societies and person, just ask their problem and many more. That's why I decided. Otherwise, other party, guys, I resonate my ideology resonate with their ideology. But one thing I don't like, actually, candidate who just got ticket from that party, he doesn't even, guys. I haven't seen him. Where does he live? And before just this party, last year even he joined the party. He just paid, I mean, just hush money. I don't more than lakh, guys. Then he got ticket, and so I'm 100% sure he will make it as a business. That's why. And second thing, he doesn't live in my location. This he lives far from here. And other to whom I'm gonna just cast my vote as I told you, Rajkumar. So yeah, he lives nearby me. So if I have any query, just any problem, then I can just get at his home. Yeah. So that's why I decided. But if I talk about his prominent figure, their policy I don't like. Education minister is corrupted minister. Yeah, guys. 1400, yeah. It may always hurt me. I paid 1400, same exam, same center, same just like, I mean, a security guard, some everything will be same. But only fee is not same. Fee is 1400. Guys, 100 and 1400. Can you think? It's only business. I mean, one tender. I mean, it is one company, Tata Group, took tender to just conduct this exam. And guys, between Tata Group and Education Minister, they just have a deal. Just they will just here Education Minister will pay only, guys, 50 rupees for every candidate, and 1350 rupees will be in Education Minister and his friend's pocket. So that's why he is one of the corrupted minister in India, and he should resign from his post. Otherwise, guys, BJP in other next parliament election, he will have to face the music. Either, guys, I will keep on raising voice against him. Thank you for paying your attention, and it's all for today.